Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So today I want us to look at how to draft a pattern for the basic bodice. So with the basic bodice block, you can adapt it to any kind of design you want. Yes, any kind of design you want. The basic block can help you to achieve that. So before we go into that, these are the measurements that you need, and these are the tools that you need as well. So let's get into it. So first I would fold my brown paper into two, because I'm going to do for both the back and the front, and I used the bust measurement to cut out the brown paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw a line. That will be my starting point, as you see me do. Then that's where we'll start our measurement from. So I'll take the vertical measurement, that's the shoulder to bust measurement, and then the shoulder to waist measurement, and then I'll connect it together as you see me do. So I'll connect the 2 points together like that. Yeah. So the next thing that I'll do is to take the shoulder measurement, that's the across back. So I'll divide the across back by 2, and the one I'm working with is 14, so divided by 2 is 7. So I'll mark 7 on the shoulder line, and then I'll also mark the neckline, which is basically is 3 and then 3.5 depth. That's for the front. So I'll connect the neckline first for the front, and then I'll measure for the back, which is 1 inch. That's the neckline depth. So I'll connect it from the same point to the 1 inch. And then the shoulder measurement, I'll come down by 1 inch. That's because the human shoulder is not straight, it's kind of slope. So you need to come down by 1 inch and then connect it to the neckline area. Now we are going to get the chest line, and the chest line will divide the bust divided by 6, and then add 1.5 inches to it. So with what I'm working with, or with the measurement I'm working with, I got 8. So I'll calculate 8 from that point where I came down by 1 inch, and then I'll draw the line out. So that will be my chest line. The next thing I'll do is to find the midpoint of that line you see there, as you see me do, to get the armhole. Now for the front, we'll go in by 0.7. That's because of our breast area, the female breast. So because of that, we go in by 0.7, and then we connect it. But before we connect, we need to get our bust measurement. So the bust I'm working with is 40. So we divide it by 4. We divide it by 4, and then I'll measure it on the chest line, not on the bust line, but on the chest line. So what I got, I measured it on the chest line. So I'll connect it. For the front, I'll connect straight, but for the front is where we calculated the 0.75, and then for the back is straight, because the back is straight here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to measure the the nipple to nipple. The one I'm working with is 6, so I'll divide it by 2, which is 3, because the is folded into 2, so you measure 3, and then you join it together. You measure it on the bust line and then on the waistline. Then from the bust line you come down by 1 inch, and then you measure ½ inch on each side, that's on the waistline, to create your darts. So that is where your darts will be. So you connect it as you see me do. Then now you measure, or you record your waist measurement. The waist measurement I'm using is 34. So you divide it by 4, and then you measure it, or you record it. Then you add the 1 inch dart that we added. So that when you close the dart, it will come back to the normal waist. Now to get the side dart, you find the midpoint of the side as you see me do. That's from the chest line to the waistline. You find the midpoint, and then you connect it to that's the bust point. Yes, you connect it to the bust point. Then you take 0.5 each on each side of that line, and also come down from the bust point by 1 inch, and then connect the points together as you see me do. Okay, so that is it for the front. Now one thing, we have to add that 1 inch that we took out for the side dart. So we will bring it down from the that side, that line. I'll come down by 1 inch to cover up for that 1 inch that we took for the side dart, and then I'll use a curve to connect it to the center front, as you see me do. So that's it for it. Now when I'm cutting, I will cut the back side first. So the neckline, I'll cut the back side, and the armhole too, I'll cut the back side first. Then after I have separated it, then I'll work on the front. So as you see me do, I'm trying to get the lines at the back as well. Yes, so I'm trying to get the vertical lines at the back, so I'll just use the front one to get to the back. Now that 1 inch will not be needed at the back, it's only for the front, so I'll cut that part out. Okay, so I will take measurement of the nipple to nipple as you see me do. That's 3, because I'm working with 6 on both the chest line, the bust line, and then the waistline. So I'm taking the 3 inches. So then after that, I'll connect the 3 lines together. Then I'll come down from the chest line on that line by 1 inch, and then I will take 0.5 inch on each side for the dart, and then I'll connect the 3 points together to form the back dart. So we are done with the back. Now we'll go back to the front to cut out the front side. So the neckline, we are going to now cut off the and then the armhole too, we are going to cut that one out, and then that will be it for the front and the back basic bodice block. So you can adapt this to any kind of design you want, or any kind of style you want, and it will work perfectly. It will work perfectly. Okay guys, so thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I'll plead that you subscribe and then you hit on the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. And also, if this video was beneficial to you, I'll plead that you share to your friends and loved ones. I'll come your way again next time with another video on something else. Thank you so much for watching. From Ask Kokobin by Ori. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye.